Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the retro burst effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to effects, video effects on top, and then scroll down to retro, and then you'll be able to find the retro burst effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to view it a little bit and then bring it to the beginning of the clip, elongate to the end of the clip. And now we're going to go up to the special effects tab to the top right and mess with the filter, the noise, and the speed. So if we increase the noise, it's kind of more of like a pixelated effect. The filter of it changes kind of the color, and then the speed, I think, messes with the shake of the effect. So let's take a look. And there you have it, the retro burst effect. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.